An onion was placed down and watch what happened. The results of the onion is formidable. Try it. How true is it that onions are aphrodisiac? There are many factors why sexual desire can be lost, either partially or totally. Fortunately, there are natural remedies to counteract the lack of desire, so we are going to resort to the onion. The onion serves as an aphrodisiac. The onion is an aphrodisiac that is a good remedy that helps to recover and stimulate sexual desire. This is because it improves the blood supply to the penis, giving a better firmness. How to eat aphrodisiac onions? Cut into thin slices a quarter of onion, add the juice of 2 lemons and a tablespoon of olive oil. Consume whenever you feel that the desire is gone. Although if necessary, you can eat this remedy once a week. Also, you can eat salad with enough onion and a little olive oil. Put to boil for 5 minutes, 2 chopped onions and 2 cloves of raw garlic chopped in 1 liter of water. After the time, remove from heat, cover and let stand 10 minutes. Strain and sweeten to taste with honey. Take 1 glass in the morning and another in the afternoon. If you still do not know the benefits of onion, this video is for you. This powerful vegetable is the ideal food to combat discomfort or very common diseases. Learn about the benefits and healing power of onions. Improves circulation. By having a high degree of quercetin, it promotes blood circulation. In addition, because it contains silica, it helps prevent thrombosis and aging of the veins and arteries. It even helps reduce blood cholesterol and increases the ability to dissolve internal blood clots, which prevents coronary thrombosis. Prevents anemia. The onion has anti-anemic properties, as it provides phosphorus, iron, and vitamin E, properties that help replenish blood loss and regenerate red blood cells, help relieve the cold. Being rich in vitamins A and C, the onion is ideal to relieve respiratory diseases. The essential oils it possesses due to sulfur have the ability to reduce the symptoms of bronchitis, colds and catarrh. Helps control hypertension. Containing potassium, the onion helps eliminate excess fluid and reduces the risk of gout, hypertension and kidney stones. It has purifying and diuretic properties. Potassium and low sodium content make the onion help to avoid fluid retention, releasing toxins from the body. It is also beneficial for the kidneys and the prostate. Prevents diseases of the nervous system. Given its high content of vitamin B and potassium necessary for the transmission and generation of nerve impulse and magnesium, which improves the functioning of the nervous and muscular system, the onion is ideal to improve the nervous system, help to lose weight and control weight. The onion is perfect to include it in the diet, either to lose weight or for other health issues. Due to its low caloric value and its high fiber content, it is ideal to aid a weight loss diet, since it improves intestinal transit and purifies and eliminates toxins, thus avoiding fluid retention. In addition, eating onions gives one a feeling of fullness, help to lose weight and control weight. The onion is perfect to include it in the diet, either to lose weight or for other health issues. Due to its low caloric value and its high fiber content, it is ideal to aid a weight loss diet, since it improves intestinal transit and purifies and eliminates toxins, thus avoiding fluid retention. In addition, eating onions gives one a feeling of fullness. It is antioxidant. The onion has antioxidant powers because it contains vitamins A and C, sulfur and flavonoids, such as quercetin and anthocyanin. Thank you for being here, and remember to visit us every day, so you have better more health. And if you never comment, just give us a hello and we'll know you see our videos. Also, if you liked what you saw, share it and you can see it as many times as you like.